Just minding my own business.
Criminal, you are in violation of Penal Code 131. I have now been authorized to use physical force.
In this video, we're going to be searching this 1998 Athe police street sweeper. Now, I do not know much about this vehicle, but we are gonna search it together. We're gonna search for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're gonna try to figure out where this came from, exactly what was it used for, and we're gonna try and find that biscuit. Yes, I'm just as surprised as you guys are that the police have an undercover street sweeper mobile. Most of the documents are classified, but there are various clues that point towards police use an undercover sweeper cell. Alright, let's take a look around this thing. Look at this. We could turn it on full speed and finally comb Junkyard Boy's hair.
Smells like water. H2O.
It's got the little brush thing in the back. It's got that cool looking arrow shaped traffic advisor in the back. There are two round amber lights. Got a water hose thing. Look at those massive Firestone tires, FS 400s. Check out at the top right there, they have these two huge spotlights. Let's take a look up here. Looks like there is a amber rotating light bar. Look at these things. Now that's racist. Top Gun. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick look inside. There are two steering wheels. Look at this. Look at this. We got a Whelen Talon Super LED R/B. We're gonna go ahead and remove that here in a bit and test out the lights. There's a show me directional thing. It's working. We're gonna light all this stuff up here in a bit. There's a Motorola XTL 5000, and here goes the mic for it, so when they do their little secret missions they can communicate. We got my heat. Well, it looks like a little mini heater. There is a fire extinguisher here. Keep away from working area of gutter brooms. Yeah, you don't want to stick your foot in there. Ooh. Oh yeah, that looks comfy. I'm gonna take this thing out for a spin, put it to the test here in just a bit. First, we're gonna fully search it. Okay, we're gonna start from the front and work my way to the back. K-bar knife looks like it's broken. I used to have one of these. Who knows what happened to it? But this is pretty cool. Some water pressure hose thing, whatever the. If you ever get locked out of your car, this is what you want. Some flares, maybe a flare box. Oh no, that's safety triangles. How the heck are you supposed to get those out? I'm very curious about this light, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my tools and remove that. All right, got it connected, and look at that, just like Christmas. I'm gonna screw this thing back on and see what it looks like while it's on the thing. Oh, that looks so sick. Oh man, I'm gonna wait till it gets a little darker and I'm gonna demonstrate it again. This thing goes right here. Mobile sweeper. So I wonder what sound this street sweeper makes. Maybe broom broom? Question mark? Nah, I feel like I should have a lot of street sweeper puns, but I'm just drawing blanks. Okay, so here is a little camera that you use when you get in a accident or something like that. It's unopened, so water temp, hours, miles per hour. Look, it goes up to 80 miles per hour. Sweepers on, off, wash. Oh, there's water spray too. Gutter broom. Oh yeah, we are gonna light this whole thing up. There's so many buttons to push. Oh no way, swear. I don't see any hidden lights or anything like that. I wonder if they took them out. That sucks. Damn, this thing is a straight beast. So So there's a fan right there. Secret compartment here. Ooh, looks like the Motorola radio speaker to the XTL is right there. Now I just gotta find the brain to that thing. Of course, you gotta have your emergency purified drinking water. Ooh, he's a level 1 operator. Biodiesel. I really like this thing. I want to take it off and put it in my garage. Okay, let's see what's in here. Emergency fire suppression. You guys ever wonder how one of these things work? Oh, hey, look, the instructions are right here. These will look good on a Crown Vic, huh? For the spotlight, it's the same exact size. All right, let's climb this thing. Here, let's see what's inside of this thing. Yikes. What's inside of this thing? That's the water tank right there. All right, let's start this beast up. Run and then push start. Oh yeah. Brum 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 brum. Rotating beacon. Let's go see what I did. Oh yeah, that thing is on. Oh yeah, looks like some of the lights are broken, but I like it. XTL 5000. So the connector's back there for it. Now I did notice that there is no siren control box in here unless they took it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my very own. All right, let's check the engine on this beast. And just like that, a whole freaking huge engine here is exposed. Damn, look at that. I think this is a international biodiesel engine. Just look at that radiator. Okay, so this is a 200 watt controller and a 100 watt speaker. Hopefully it doesn't blow it. So here goes nothing. This thing is gonna be a crime fighting machine in no time. Finally, I got the top lights going. They're flashing. Hopefully this thing picks them up. I was trying to hook up these lights right here to the battery, but the wire is not long enough, so I'm just gonna bring them inside. Check it out. Yeah. All right, let's hit the sirens. Look at my ghetto setup. Oh yeah, it's spinning.
Smells like water.
I cannot get this thing to spin. All right, let's take this thing out for a spin. Look at that. Both wheels spin. This thing is huge. Woo! Oh, yeah. Next time you see a street sweeper on your street, it just may be the cops.